Ever notice how you hit a wall at almost the exact same time every afternoon? No, it's not just in your head. Your body follows a precise biological countdown, and it starts the moment you finish lunch. And 250 grams of green beans, yep, they can stop it. Let me guess, you've experienced it. That sudden drop in energy between 2:30 and 3 p.m. Like you hit a wall. Your brain goes foggy, your eyes get heavy, and suddenly even the easiest tasks feel impossible. But what if I told you the real reason behind this crash is your lunch? Specifically, what's happening to your insulin? See, when you eat high glycemic carbs, think white bread, pasta, rice, your blood sugar spikes fast and your pancreas releases a flood of insulin. But 2 to 3 hours later, that insulin is still working, pulling your blood sugar down too far, and boom, you crash. Now, why exactly 2:47 p.m? It's no coincidence. Your body's digestion and insulin response cycle takes a cool 167 minutes. So if you eat lunch at 12 p.m, you're going to hit that wall right on time. It's not random. It's biology. Now here's where the magic happens. Green beans. Yes, green beans. I know, it doesn't sound like the usual solution, but hear me out. Green beans contain a secret weapon: fibre. A whopping 8 grams of fibre in just 250 grams. This fibre slows how fast sugar enters your bloodstream. Instead of that sudden spike in blood sugar, you get a gentle, steady rise. No wild insulin surge. And when you pair them with a protein, say grilled chicken or salmon, and a bit of healthy fat, like olive oil or avocado, you create the perfect balanced glycemic load. Your body processes the meal slowly, giving you a steady flow of energy for 4 to 5 hours. No crash, just smooth sailing. Remember that 2:47 p.m. wall? Yeah, it's not there anymore. So, how do we make this work every day? It's simple. Batch prep in just 90 minutes on Sundays. Steam or roast 1.25 kilograms of green beans, enough for 5 lunches. Season them with garlic, lemon, and a touch of olive oil, and store them in glass containers with your protein of choice. Each lunch container should have 250 grams of green beans, 150 to 200 grams of lean protein, and about a tablespoon of healthy fat. This keeps your glycemic load under 20 and your energy stable. Timing's key too. Eat this lunch between 11:30 a.m. and 12:30 p.m. By 2:47 p.m, your insulin is still working smoothly and you won't crash. No fog, no sugar cravings, just steady energy. So what's the key takeaway? The 2:47 p.m. crash isn't about willpower or lack of sleep. It's all about insulin timing. By swapping high-carb sides for 250 grams of fibre-rich green beans, you flatten that blood sugar curve and keep your energy high all afternoon. Now, I challenge you to try this for 1 week. Prep 5 lunches with 250 grams of green beans each. track how you feel at 2:47 p.m. and drop a comment below with "still standing" if you made it through without crashing. And in the next video, I'll show you the 15-minute emergency lunch formula for those days when you forget to prep but still need to dodge that afternoon crash.